Meet Bill. Bill grinds his teeth in his sleep. Because of this, he is regularly tired and frustrated. One night, he decides to look for a solution. Bill logs onto a computer and searches for teeth grinding. Introducing Sleepy's Professional Dental Guards. Scientifically proven to soothe the effects of teeth grinding. Just a couple of clicks and the product is on its way. Now, Bill can enjoy a good night's sleep. His teeth grinding is no longer an issue. Find Sleepy's at www.esnproducts.co.uk. Order yours today. Express delivery available across the UK. 100% satisfaction guaranteed.